What's up guys, this is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair a Studio 2 right outside panel. So this is the panel I'll be replacing. So to begin, we'll need to grab a flathead screwdriver and pop out this center cap here. There's a little groove that you can pry up. Just like that. That cap is held on adhesive tape. Under the cap there are 4 screws that you will need to unscrew. Okay, so once we got that unscrewed, we will remove this tab that says right or R. Just pry that up, and at this point you grab the inside panel and the outside panel and you pull the inside panel down just like this. Now we will remove this PCB just by prying it up. It's held by 2 clips. Just like this. Pull this red wire out and remove the ribbon cable from the LED strip, and that's how you remove the panel. If you need to, my new panel has a LED strip. If you don't have that, you can unscrew the 2 screws here and replace it. So now the way you place that in is, so there's this old glue. You can take that off and place the ribbon cable in, clamp it down, now align the board PCB and push it down into the grooves, and at this point grab this blue rubber piece that's holding this red wire and place that in there. Put the wire back into place and place the hinge on the outside panel and slide the right inside panel back in. Okay, we got it all slid in. Make sure the board is in place. Make sure all the wires are not in the way of any holes. So I had a previous tab here. Remove that. Make sure the hinge slides in and out nicely. The last step is to make sure the wire is not covering the hole where you will be screwing in. Best way is to pull the hinge out and align these wires just like that, and grab the screws and screw the panel back in. The screws might be stuck in the old panel, so just push those out. Once you have those screwed in, you grab the center cap, place that aligned with the groove here, and it should hold with the double-sided tape. And finally, place the right tab back on. So slide one part in and push down on the other, and it should clip in. Make sure the hinge slides in and out perfectly, just like that. And that's a Studio 2 wired right outside panel replacement. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair, if you guys want to send your headphones in to our repair center, we do repair them, and we do also sell parts if you would like to do that yourself. And thanks for watching.